Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. So, naami karon sa Mountain View Resort together with my family. And nagplano mi nga mag-overnight stay dere. Muna among first time nga mag-overnight. And I hope you will enjoy this vlog. So, karon isa kami dere sa among gikuha nga room. Good for 5 to 6 people. After checking our room, niadto mi sa pool area. So, as you can see, nice kayo dere.
Hi guys! Usama ninyo ikasulti sa atong vacation. Live up.
O mao sa din ang view sa mong room karon. Nakakita mo guys, nice kayo ang city lights. Grabe jud. Thank you Lord for today. Good morning guys. So as you can see, bisan buntag nindot gihapon kayo ang view because you can see the amazing sunrise.
It's 7:50 a.m.
So padulong mi saka guys for breakfast. Since this is our day 2 sa Mountain View Resort, mga ligo na punta sa pool guys.
So we're going to the pool area. Table na doon lang sa my edge. So wala ilahang kiddie pool dapit. And then that's where you can see the
Mao din ni ilang famous na infinity pool guys. You can also see the Cebu City view. Nice kayo.
ano siya ang living botandi.
So, I hope nalingaw mo sa akong mini vlog here in Mountain View Resort. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!